Immunohistochemistry in bladder cancer, diagnostic, prognostic, and molecular subtyping applications. Immunohistochemistry, IHC, is now a key tool in understanding and managing bladder cancer. It uses special stains to identify proteins in cancer cells, helping doctors diagnose the disease more accurately and predict how it may behave. IHC supports cancer staging, identifies different tumor types, and helps guide treatment choices, including newer-targeted and immune-based therapies. Certain markers help detect early or hidden cancer, while others give clues about how aggressive the disease is or how likely a patient is to respond to specific treatments. Combining multiple markers with digital pathology and molecular testing has improved accuracy and consistency, although challenges such as standardization and interpretation differences still exist. Overall, IHC remains an essential part of bladder cancer care and continues to evolve with advances in technology and biomarker research, supporting more personalized and effective patient treatment. Introduction. Immunohistochemistry, IHC, has evolved from a simple support test into an essential tool in bladder cancer care. Unlike routine microscopy, IHC provides deeper insight into tumor biology by identifying specific proteins within cancer cells. This allows doctors to diagnose bladder cancer more accurately, assess how aggressive it may be, and select the most appropriate treatments. As a result, IHC now plays a central role in precision medicine, helping tailor therapy to each patient's disease. Its growing importance continues to shape current practice and future advances in urologic pathology. Conclusion. Immunohistochemistry has become an essential part of modern bladder cancer care by providing information that goes beyond simple visual examination of tissue. It helps doctors better understand the biology of bladder cancer, allowing more accurate diagnosis, improved staging, and better prediction of treatment response. This approach supports the broader shift toward personalized cancer treatment, where therapy is tailored to each patient. Current clinical uses include detecting early or hidden cancer, classifying tumor types, refining disease staging, and guiding immunotherapy decisions. These applications have strong clinical value and are already improving patient management. Looking ahead, combining multiple markers with molecular testing and artificial intelligence is expected to further increase accuracy and consistency. Continued collaboration between clinicians, pathologists, and researchers will be key to translating these advances into better outcomes. Overall, immunohistochemistry will remain a central, reliable, and accessible tool in bladder cancer care as new markers and technologies emerge. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.